How to use Prenatal Spring Valley Prenatal Multivitamin Gummies. This medication is a multivitamin, mineral, and fatty acid product used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency before, during, and after pregnancy. Vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids are important building blocks of the body and help keep you in good health. This combination product also contains iron and folic acid. Women of childbearing age should maintain adequate levels of folic acid either through diet or supplements to prevent infant spinal cord defects in the developing baby. How to use prenatal. Take this medication by mouth, usually once or twice daily or as directed by your doctor. Follow all directions on the product package, or take as directed by your doctor. If you are taking the powder form of this medication, mix in water as directed before swallowing. If you are taking the delayed release form of this medication, do not crush or chew. Doing so can release all of the drug at once, increasing the risk of side effects. If you are taking the chewable form of this medication, chew thoroughly and then swallow. This medication is best taken on an empty stomach 1 hour before or 2 hours after meals. Take with a full glass of water, 8 ounces or 240 milliliters, unless your doctor directs you otherwise. If stomach upset occurs, you may take this medication with food. Avoid taking antacids, dairy products, tea, or coffee within 2 hours before or after this medication because they will decrease its effectiveness. Do not lie down for at least 10 minutes after taking this medication. Take this medication regularly in order to get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, take it at the same times each day.